We have a dawn to dusk light that goes on and off all day, but as soon as it's dark it stays on. We have changed the sensor several times, so we are guessing it's the wiring. What would be making it do this all day?
Hello, my name is XXXXX I'm here to answer any of your electrical questions. Have you checked the settings on the sensor part that has been replaced? Some have 2 or 3 different settings on the bottom of the motion sensor. What is yours set at?
No, out doesn't have any settings to change. Hours.
Please give me the make and model number, and I can look at exactly what you have.
My husband says he knows what you are referring to, but ours doesn't have it.
I understand that. But, I still need the brand and model number so I know what you are working with.
We have bought several new sensors and they all have done this. We have the same sensor on another fixture and it is working fine but hooked to a different wire.
Then you would need a voltage tester and see what's going on with that line. How old is the light fixture? What is the brand and model number? How old is the house?
It is called Torque from ACE 120V.
Is there anything else plugged into the same electric line as the light that has the problem? If so, is that working correctly? Is this light on a dimmer?
There was a light there. He added an outdoor plug and a roof heater that has an on/off switch, roof heater. The outside plug works and so does the roof heater when we turn the switch on. Can he run a wire from the dusk to dawn light that is working correctly to this one? Can 2 dusk to dawn be on the same wire?
Then if that is working, there is nothing wrong with the electric. I am unable to find the light fixture with the info that you provided me. I need the actual model number off of the light fixture to try to find it. Yes, he can run the wire from one light to the other. Is the light on a dimmer?
There isn't any dimmer switch anywhere in our house. The package from Ace Photo I 120 volt, 2000 watt all-weather 31,668 in on the back.
I'll take a look at it. Give me a minute, please. What kind of light bulbs are in the fixture? Same as the other one?
Yes, same light bulbs.
31,668 came up as just a photocell. So, is it a motion sensor and a photocell, or just a photocell?
Photocell. No motion, just dawn to dusk. Sorry, dusk to dawn.
Can you please tell me how it was wired?
Not right now. It is in the attic.
The photocell is in the attic?
No, smile the wiring.
To check the wiring you need to take off the photocell, which should have all its connections in a junction box behind it.
Oh, I thought you meant from the wiring from the electrical box. He's looking. Black to black, white to white and ground to ground.
So what is the red wire connected to?
Please give us minute. I started this hoping to help him and he wasn't reading to get into this right away. He's got a bit of an attitude going. The red is connected to the power, black wire, coming from power source, white wires are all wired together and the black wires are all wired together.
It should be connected like this: all the whites together, red wire from the photocell to the black wires of the light fixture, the black wire from the photocell connects to the power line, and all the green and bare copper wires all connect together. If the wiring is all correct, I would try a different style of photocell. The ones that you get from Ace are not great quality. I have personally had to take back a few of them, and don't use them anymore. Since the red wire is connected to the power source, it is probably fried.
We have tried several different ones. Ace, Home Depot, etc. If it's fried, then why would it work at night?
Once they are fried, they do weird things. They need to be connected correctly from the first time. Make sure the photocell is not in a completely shaded area that would cause it to turn off and on throughout the day. If it's too shaded, the photocell will believe it is night. This fixture that the photocell is controlling doesn't already have a built-in photocell, does it?
Okay, here's a new description. It is a floodlight with 2 lights and the photocell. All black wires from the 2 lights and photocell are connected, all white wires from the 2 lights and the photocell are connected together with the white wire from the power coming in, and the red wire is connected to the power. And no, it's not in the shade.
Read my description above where I said how to wire it. The red is supposed to only connect to the blacks on the lights. If it has already been connected wrong, do not expect it to work.
Okay, he is looking again. I have a bunch of extra attitude going on here. Need some?
No thank you. I'm good.
Okay, as bad as he hates to admit it, he did change something. And so far it looks like you have solved the problem. The lights did come on for a second and went off. He then covered the photocell and they came on. Guess we won't know for sure for a while. If we find out this didn't solve the problem, can we get back to you?
That's great. Thank you. Yes, you can always come back.
Will we need to pay again if it's still the same issue?
I hope I have provided excellent service for you. No, you will not need to pay again for the same issue. Just log into your account and go to your questions, find this one, and respond just like you are doing now.
Thank you so much. I will provide an excellent rating.
Thank you. Have a great day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.